Manners and respect. We don't say in I
bush.
in I bush. But this is a farm. This
This is a herbal farm.
herbal and tea farm. So first thing first in our morning we start with a jelly coconut. You start with a jelly and it's good for you all even have a piece of sugar cane. That actually take off the gas off of your chest.
Mm. Yeah, two orange
Mm-hmm.
How long time is there?
But look at that size. If me come and knock him, you're there till afternoon. How are you?
Can't hear me.
No, wait so long, man. You can't see me alter do it.
Yeah, organize yourself.
Organize.
But me speed him up.
Yeah, I am speeding up. So I guess, you see my yard? Me have rabbit, goat, hog. So me have to get up early to move around.
Me see last night, you know.
Yeah,
man, me the same place where you did last night. I me did a long tell. Me just call boom and say, yo, pull the back door this. And come inside where that me know play and just in a little car. That's
I know me not come inside.
No. No more than from outside to the bar part. So me see we go and come back out.
This is the first thing I recognize as me come here.
How about
A coal bush.
Oh.
Jack in the bush.
Alright.
Yeah. Me recognize this one as soon as me come here. And look how pretty this one is. Ah, look here. There's a signpost. Holy money will I. So you see it?
First name and last name.
Yes. So we start with this one.
I sign them kind of drop down now, man. Look at it. Leaf of life. Actually, everything we done.
Can we do a kind of herbal just walk and discover? But this one, it signed them, did they?
Yeah.
So you know, have to. Yeah. So this is more organized.
Yeah, man.
The last video, what you see me do, you will see I walk and check out the leaf of life and other things. So we on the farm today, and then you will get the full perspective of everything. Well, this is a part one. We're probably gonna have a part two because a whole heap of things to see and discover.
Yeah, man, because
You ain't in there.
See them see the big flower tree, what does it?
big, right, a big green tree on your right hand there.
Yes.
Yeah, them on there.
You see the name there. Coconut.
Oh, no, man, me there, no, me I say. Give me a son of
Noonie. A noonie here. There's a noonie tree. Funny noonie fruit. So this is the farm we at. That's the name of the farm. Very nice jelly, nice soft jelly coconut. Look at that. I really enjoyed that one, may I tell you. Then change direction. When there is something here, nobody climb again.
Climb up.
So you see they call it Cinco Bible. But the right name is aloe vera. Well, not the right name, but that's the name that's commercialized. Aloe vera. But down here in Jamaica we call it Cinco Bible. So here we have Cinco Bible.
I mean, I have no money. I book up, me go book up in. I will go book up in.
Yeah, man, once you come a road. Once you come a road and somebody see you.
Aye.
Whether you have money or not, because the way you is, people just start saying, hold that.
I go book up in.
Hold that.
Can walk up some postman. coming back.
Alright, look.
You remember it? You know, come on,
You find good pear? Look for pear on the tree.
I look for here.
I look for pear grow.
Yeah, one to go. Yeah, we keep it on the camera. You know, they're letting me go. The piece of bread and something, and then I run down.
Yes, Junior, brother.
Yes, my lad.
We have a bathroom, plus tiling, everything in it.
Very nice, man.
I really look over here, the
Bush
grass
up.
grow
I
so
look
much
at grass
now, you know?
As it rain for all the grass them come up.
Yes, only that is so. So when you see it, you know.
But it show that fruitful. Lemongrass.
Yeah.
Or what we call fever grass.
All the mango tree, I put you have to cut them up for them, brother.
It just run just a move.
Yeah.
Grow to the place, grow to the place. Hold down all the coconut tree, them and
So when I want to have a vision,
I don't know if you want to see it yet. But this man at the phone hard to, you know, doing it.
oh,
Whether?
I don't see him. You have to show me where I go on.
Maybe you kind of come down here now.
pick up and thing, man.
Yeah, I'm going on YouTube.
Yeah, if me know which channel or who do
I
interview.
can't remember a channel.
Yeah, who do interview. Because sometimes they do interview, they don't mention the name of the person. They mention just the farm.
Wow.
Well, like we
Is there that one? Is it elephant?
Mm.
Then I mean to read. We will read. Great merengue them.
Yeah, man. We just plan too.
Alright.
Because I want to have one of everything over here too.
Alright.
Should have started long time, but when you have good,
Yeah.
you can't do nothing.
I need that, Mr. Where report, brother.
This is how we put it, brother. Yeah. Where are you?
Gungu, cassava, everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look good out here.
You see, you left all your knife there.
Yeah, man. I would keep on something.
Still working.
So we not get no unbug.
No.
More than mint if you want to get some.
See,
You can walk good on night.
alright, so these are mint that's been harvested.
Yeah.
This is vervine, blue vervine.
Blue vervine.
Right. This is mint that's been harvested to make tea.
You know that one, Jonah?
Shema. What you call it?
Shame old lady, me call
Shema
it.
old lady.
But you know what I say?
A
Is it?
bad tea bush, you know.
A bad tea bush.
See.
And right now, you see, me got one meeting. And them a say, how much US them a tell the boss a pound for them
For Shema.
in a fire.
Man, them run whole for test pan the
Test pan
bush
them,
them now.
Yeah.
And realize, say, yo.
They
And
have
then they
been,
don't know, you know.
yes.
Yeah, man.
So
Then
now
they
you
don't
know
know everything.
scientifically,
Yeah.
say having certain elements
Yes. We
we
help to
help for human.
Right.
Alright.
Say do it.
Look, you see them as a turmeric no from Manchester. Here come this turmeric in I mean.
Yeah, man.
And like a rain fall, it's going to bust up more. You know, yeah.
So this is
Long time
the
Turmeric.
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 Like ginger.
Yeah,
take
man,
the
I know what
blood.
turmeric. Then call
Yellow-
it curcumin.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Got that yellow thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So then
some people just call it even yellow ginger.
yes,
Yellow ginger.
yeah, yeah. So that's the turmeric.
But you have two different color
Type.
turmeric.
You have a white one.
White turmeric and yellow turmeric.
Mhm.
So your gungo piece beer there.
So this is, I'm literally at home because these are the things that I'm mostly interested in. Pine there, so
Yeah.
we just pass two more out there.
Gungo peas.
Gungo peas. More turmeric.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
The other day we are coming in a bus here, so me and blacks.
Yeah.
And somebody stop where I said, oh, no, ginger. Oh.
Aye.
You see if I have
Remember-
ginger,
remember-
I
remember
money.
say- I mean, I hear this come a bush, you know. I mean, I hear this come a bush, you know.
Aye.
I say me can't go there
I'm
now,
say,
cause,
I'm just sit down there, I wait. I'm blacks, I come and, me say, me, you know, me down the road already, me I come and bush you there.
Yeah. Go walk over, sir.
Alright.
Come follow with that, you know.
So you two root of weed and then.
Yeah.
Yeah. the kings of plants.
So them man are really in the June and come for it to make really cut it and left it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's supposed to pick up.
We are put them in a room. So we really have to we are cut and I really want to use the proper way. Cut and take up and put in away. When you left on here, so it's going in a black box. But each piece.
Man, we are gonna do a part 2, man. Where we saw the other part of the process.
Probably part 2 when you do the box there.
Alright, so from
I say them on the radio a real talk.
more insight.
Yeah.
Okay. So this
Ginger.
is ginger.
Real ginger that.
You see the plant is different from the turmeric.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Different from the turmeric.
That's right.
That's a ginger. We'll take a picture. And this is mint. This is a mint bed. Look how pretty that look.
You hear me that tell you?
So,
But no, you where say?
we are bigger tree and this. But as with the sun near, we are trying to see if we can plant even 120 over here.
Okay.
Or if we plant them for more the back section.
Alright.
So people, if you have 2 chairs on the front and then 3 and then go in and shake. Yeah. And it's expensive fruit, you know.
Very expensive. Lychee is expensive.
Yeah.
One single one, you know, man. Last time we buy one,
Yeah.
$50.
Yeah.
One single one.
And it not must good. You have to free that food. That must good.
You know, can buy when you can see black.
Yeah, just easier to come off of the seed.
Them a family. Near family.
To make jerk and this and that.
Yeah.
There's a policy, but there's a place where me go. There's a policy. If you before you cut a tree, you must plant one.
Yes.
That is.
Yeah.
That is a must.
Right.
Yeah.
That's a right policy.
Yeah.
So.
If you catch a man and cut down one of your piment that you know how much money
Any fruit tree if you should answer serious
Mm-hmm.
towards it.
Yeah.
Cause just like you say, if a man cut, alright, one next day you have whole time to come out.
Aye, we have a reason.
A section over there, some container.
Mm-hmm.
You see? And him say no, go man do it.
Right.
So you want now. That thing there in the process.
Yeah.
Me have to cut down about 5 coconut trees.
Right.
Tell me tell the boss.
or
say-
more.
Tell me tell it, yeah. Some tell it, say to the boss, say big man, you want. I now cut down one more of them fruit tree there. He come here like a sin.
You see, I
do a wee plant and cut it.
You see, the little young one there, you see, I grew up there. I would have plant them there. I must have one me plant.
I did and
They call it nothing head, but they call it something head.
Something.
You know that one?
No, sir.
and this is a tree where
Chinese,
very important.
Chinese cherry or that's all. Chinese cherry. Chinese, no, I'm not Chinese Guinea man. No, we sorry, it's a cherry. A Chinese cherry when you look here. I want next, not next year.
So that is something egg.
Same one. So a 2, not 1, yeah.
Aye. You know, say me born and grew in Jamaica.
Yeah.
You know, the first time I see something egg,
Yeah.
I St. Vincent me go.
And
And see the nutmeg as according to them
yeah.
on the tree. I open up so.
Yeah.
Even though me born and grew in Jamaica.
I never knew it that much either.
Aye.
And since I actually there, Mr. Right, I know it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
You see tree up and fuck you like this?
Yeah.
Right now, is it? He blossom tell no leaf.
One a susumba.
Yeah.
Susumba.
Sumba.
I Sumba. We call it gully beans.
Huh?
How much standard in the pan?
You know, say,
One standard in the pan big boss.
underneath me.
Rain and it yard. One standard.
Yeah, what you show me now? What kind of tree?
Shiny.
China cherry.
Oh,
Cherry.
I want to see fruit when it come up.
When it come up, right?
And then they bless them now with the rain.
Yeah, but it's still early.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
still early because
Guys,
it's
I
a young
think
tree.
next week we would come and see that.
Mm. Come back, look, so man, look on the size. Dude. Mm-hmm.
Yes, I am.
Yes, my lord.
Yeah, man, him said one.
Leaf of life.
Hey, this is a coal bush, but which way him is a parasite, you know? It's good for coal.
Right.
Can't remember his name, man. This one, man, this.
Where I run, so?
Yeah, I want parasite, you know. But it's a good coal bush.
See.
This. Him not dead so easily. I'm going to take off the whole farm.
Yeah, because watch her. See where it around there.
Yeah, see him from up, so.
A concrete, where does he put them?
Yeah,
the
ask the
concrete, where does jar them put them on? To me see this.
I see them and not like them.
Yeah.
And when you put it on the concrete, it take months.
You see all of them
Months,
trees, so. Piece, still upon them, you know. But I get rid of them, man, and just like your man said,
Yeah.
I have to put them on the concrete itself. You see, if you ever put it that dirt on this dirt,
It gone again.
it gone again.
Rastafari.
So you have to put him on the concrete or on the house stop to make him dead. This, something here. This. Parasite. When I start get rid of it and I time boss, go doing research and come back and say, what happened? You know, sir, a good cold bush.
Eh.
Me see a parasite though.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, cause you not really depend on the market.
Easy do it.
Well, you see this
Easy
now.
do it.
You see this at 17 feet and 18 feet if it's safe on them. You know?
Eh.
Them fuck me up already over here, man. No time. About 3 times they run I do.
I think my father load. My father we drop and all him mouth blood up, you know.
Out I.
Lick him in the head.
The coat now.
Yeah, you can run. Like him a pick out. You climb over in there.
Well, alright, that's a liquor.
Oh.
And knock you out in the
Yeah.
show now.
And I in your back.
Yes, right, that's what I tell you. Right in between, you see this one?
Yeah.
It no catch you, if it catch you, it broke up. and
Right.
In other side.
Right.
But I do end up night tree, you know.
Yeah.
So him tie it and let it down on the rope. So you see just like how I do so journey. So that's what I said. And just like how me I go say to him, say, take ease up the rope. I no move it car, go just pick up the bunch of coat that I move.
Yeah.
Boom.
Boom.
That time one catch Panya on the scene.
Yeah.
And you focus at it's up in the way me no know about that job, you know?
Aye.
Junior,
Like in the man shoulder, brother.
I spin right round and look to see a hole the guy.
Yeah.
When I see I don't know one lick away from the coat that I jump a going in.
My God.
Yeah, man. It's like when you say about right now, now go to now, but now to get some teach. Get some teach.
Anything left? I don't.
Yeah, man, that they nice.
I'm ready.
Yeah. That they nice.
Can't let it come in my yard yet.
Any one of them will come.
I say, see.
Stay firm.
Yeah.
You can't hear what now.
The wind.
And the little the breeze are blowing a tree.
I
now.
see.
Say tree just face.
Yeah.
And the little half a road.
They have to move along with it.
Yeah. Oh, you soon get good picture of coat now. Oh, you saw one boss?
The one there in front of you.
This one?
Ah.
What Junior do? Full in buckle?
I mean even carry one big buckle. I this I know mama could have.
Yeah, good there, brother. How we now move? Me have one of my youth up America that's still thing.
Yeah. Yeah, in England they there up in London.
They find one program foods in there. So they find 3 years, you know.
Okay.
So they get them here.
I boss one this.
Buckle first before you
Yeah,
have
nice.
I have eaten food out of it, you know. Buckle them level. Brother.
Yeah.
Eat one, you chop one day, yeah?
Oh, me have one on my foot at man.
Mm.
I make sure we not go on.
Pull him back.
And that's something when we do. That's something when we do where I come from, you know.
Yeah.
Our food me deal with, you know. Yeah, man. Right through, man. All jelly and sugar cane
Yeah.
and everything. But with the pan break, you know.
Yeah.
One minute after wonderful.
And if I water waste, you know.
Yeah, man, some of it throw away, man. That's like a rainfall. Them out take extra water.
That one I was one.
The mouth got too big. Don't show it to you.
Junior,
Yes, sir.
I can climb them again because I used to have your girl and pan frigid for I sing a Bible, you know. And just drink till it done and load it back again and just drink till it finish
Yeah, man.
again.
Remember you give me that recipe there?
Yeah,
A
man.
whole heap of people make that recipe there and help
Bad.
them, you know.
Don't it bad. I cure, you know.
Bad, yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I cure, man.
You put
Fi certain-
the simple Bible
Yeah.
in a
The
jelly water
water.
and left it. I'm going to work. I'm going to work in the morning and I cut one
Yeah.
and put the simple Bible in there and a recipe on top.
Yeah.
So you see when you cut off the now,
Yeah.
I cover, you know.
Yeah.
We put it on top and left it there. So
Yeah.
make it simmer. So when you're ready for drink it,
Yeah.
you think Bible no bitter again, you know.
No.
No,
Everything got I want.
Everything. Just penetrate right
Yeah, man.
out.
I may tell them say you know say that recipe where that man me get it from.
Yeah.
I may I give it to people because no hope of sick people that are foreign. They-
Yeah.
yeah. I may say do this here
Yeah.
every day. But some of them sometimes you see sick people and them want sick.
True,
Because them are worry about the money.
Yes.
You gonna
yes,
spend
sir.
Free money.
you gonna spend £4 every day, but you will get better.
Yeah. And
But
now
them-
check your health.
Them prefer wait for the doctor to give them some medicine.
Yeah.
And when you tell them something, then use it 2 times or 3 times.
I'm not use it no more.
Yes. But then use the doctor medicine right.
Yeah, man,
you
kill
want.
themselves, man. Oh, yeah, say, man.
Yes.
Yeah. One man up at town in Madrid, it's like you out there on your bike out not from him. You just do so first thing with the cutlass. Boom! And just chinky the spoon and fight you over
Yeah.
there. And you see that if it's a catcher, you catch it.
Billy use, you know.
Yeah.
man.
And you do so.
And see after
You
that,
can't do it. You do so. Boop. You see
And
like
I
how that
spoon.
like come out.
Yeah, I
so.
spoon that.
And that
and you catch that.
Yeah.
When
Yeah,
you
catch
catch the
that.
spoon now,
And you
you
also-
just do so.
I did my man.
Bloop.
I don't know him. I did my man tell me.
Eh.
You just so bloop and the car fade and if you look in the street, you are not even a spoon of water and a dash.
Nah. Skill.
Yeah, man, and when like you finish drinking water and he say, chew it now. You say, no chew it. And he catch it on the cutlass.
Yeah.
He split already, you know. And he catch your feet no drop.
I sword man, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I sword
Yeah, man, put the coconut all on his head and chip it,
I
brother.
think me see him on the TikTok thing, yeah, man.
Yes, that's for
Coconut pan head so for him famous you know.
Yeah, man.
Upon the TikTok
Pim
thing.
pim 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 pim.
Yeah,
Yep.
man.
Me see him on the TikTok, man. And some people are saying a real thing. AI.
No.
And me say, no, man, people do that in a real life.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
Them not see the man, a coolie.
Very some
I told me the and
man.
coolie call me and show me. And say, where man? He say, where man? Watch what I go on, you know. He say, yo, give me a gel, you know. I'm see man just so click. People round him from down, say, yo, people round him and in my yard. And say, click. I'm say, coolie catch his spoon. And it's a boom. and just like a game man, sir. The man just hold it. I mean, I say, but coolie can't catch better than me. And man, so boom. I mean, just hold it because I'm not going to make it job soon. You can't cut the next one. Yeah, man. Catch any man, just a boom, I'm just hold my coat now. And man say, when man say chop, no, man.
A right size.
Yeah, man. When you say chop, you just do some boom. When you him tell you, say the man catch up on the bill, brother, I hope you not ready, brother. How would I got berries to play music, you know?
Donkey weed.
Donkey weed that.
Yo, you see this?
Yes, not in jive, boss, not jive, funny.
I mean, I have a whole heap of nobody no buy none, you know. Because it's not so popular,
You
yeah.
know, so popular,
Mom
man.
carry come, mom carry for me.
Yeah,
When
yeah.
she left here.
Yeah.
And me have whole heap of carry gas stall there.
Yeah.
Carry gas and nobody no buy none.
Then
Still
no
have it in a bag
purpose,
there. But you carry moringa it done the same day. You
Yeah.
carry soursop leaf it done the same
Done same
day.
day.
Because that's what they know about.
Look at
They
that
know
one now.
about.
Oh, you know this already, man. Rose apple.
Rose
Oh,
apple.
young
You
rose apple
know,
sucker
you
them.
know like how you look so.
Hey, Junior, everything we have on the farm
You see them
now.
pepper there?
Yeah.
A cayenne pepper that.
Okay.
No cayenne,
And-
what them call it? A
Uh,
bird pepper we call it, you know.
And that is stonebreaker? Or just bush?
that just bush.
A bush that man.
But it look like
It look like
stonebreaker.
stonebreaker. And it look like cedar and a leaf.
Right.
What do you
You
feel
probably
about
call it so, but all we know the stonebreaker is you turn it over,
Yeah.
and some little seed there underneath.
I see a man.
I
that
see
cedar
a man.
and a
But
leaf.
the name we call it is stonebreaker.
Stonebreaker.
Yeah.
I put it up here.
Yeah. Right, for the
But we call it
kidney
cedar and a
stone.
leaf.
So the name out here is seed and a leaf.
Cedar and a leaf.
But the what you call it
It
international
is a
name
stonebreaker because
is
it's
called
stone,
stonebreaker.
kidney stone.
Well,
and
this,
this
brother.
one,
You see this one,
yeah.
and that one, them two, you boil them and drink them in the
Yeah.
Don't worry, take nothing,
Mhm.
man.
You remember me not show you this?
It on the one,
That our.
Is that?
Ram goat dash a long.
Yeah.
Speed a meter.
Ram goat dash a long, brother.
Seed.
Speed a meter.
Yeah.
Man.
Him and that one, let me show him and the donkey, we
Mhm.
come together. And piece of nerves is, or piece of soursop leaf.
Mhm.
Or a bark.
You're nice.
You know, say bark is so powerful more than a leaf.
Yes, but you know.
Because guess what now? They're not authority, you know, get the authority cut the bark.
Right.
Because if you strip off bark off right teeth are dead.
Yes.
You know.
June plow.
Use it for use the leaf.
Mm.
Ease of use the leaf. Ease of use the leaf.
Yes, man. You get more and.
La 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 la. I tell you, remember if I go look on your man place, you know, brother.
I forgot. Am I go there this evening? Come here, remind him, you know. Ringer.
Yeah, man, it won't know.
Nobody else.
Yeah, man.
I must burn out, chat with it. But nobody else.
Me not say me. We.
Yeah.
Because I'm me and the wife.
Yeah.
We have everything pan there. You see, you have mango, guava, jackfruit. That's what me not see over here. No, the jackfruit. All right, but we have part 2 will come. We have to do more like 4.
I know the giant facility there. What facility?
And the processing.
So here where you
Process,
Yeah.
before
you
you
see
go
one
to
in the
process.
the land,
Yeah,
and the day of Jamaica,
yeah.
you carry to a seed in your pack.
All right. Yes, my lord.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yes, my lord. Man, as here, sir. All right.
Yeah, man, I say
My bottle full of coconut water plus extras.
Yeah.
Yeah, me have pear. Me have a whole heap of avocado pear in my bag. Yes, a whole heap of avocado in my bag. My bottle full of water, and me have a spare one. Look, Dugsy have a spare one and 2 pear in my hand. Yeah, man. So give thanks and praises for yeah. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe because we're coming back for part 2, where we are gonna do more in depth. Right, more in depth, and you get to see the whole process in terms of getting the herbs and the beginning of processing to turn it into tea. So like, share, and subscribe. And before you go, let me show you something. This is a goody. It's a goody. What you call it? See the tree there. Yeah, man, see the tree there.
What them people call it?
And there's a mango plant right at the roadside. Yeah, but everybody call it different, but that's a goody.
Call it goody.